Broaching is commonly, or most commonly used for keyways and parts. So oftentimes if you have a shaft, like a round shaft that needs to mate to another piece, then it's common to install a keyway. And that's literally just a square bar that half of the square is in part one and half of the square is in part two. And the square bar keeps them locked together. Broaching can happen on all scales. So you can do something, like an 1/8 inch broach, which is pretty tiny. But some of our parts go all the way up to 1.5 inch broaching. And when you start to get to that size, the process to actually put that keyway into the part gets significantly more complex. And so one of the things that we've spent a fair amount of time on is both developing ways in-house that we can more efficiently broach, as well as purchasing equipment when needed to add capability so that we don't have to outsource and use a third party for it.